Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Breastfeeding is the most important part of newborn care. But do you know that breast pumping can make your life easier? Whether you are a working mom or a stay-at-home parent, using a breast pump correctly is very important. There are two types of breast pumps. Manual breast pump. It is small and portable, but it takes time to use. Electric breast pump. It is fast and convenient. Especially, double electric pumps are best for working moms. Before pumping, wash and sanitize all parts properly. Sit in a relaxed position so that milk flow is good. Choose the right flange size. If the flange is not correct, pumping can be painful. Start with a low speed and then gradually increase the intensity. Milk storage and freezing tips. Fresh breast milk stays good at room temperature for 4 hours. In the fridge, it lasts for 4 days. And in the freezer, it can be stored for 6 months. Labeling is important. Write the date on each bag so that the first pumped milk is used first. If you are a first-time mom or doing exclusive pumping, like this video and subscribe to the channel to make breast pumping easy and convenient.